hope you are having a great day and ready to start our next project. So we are going to go to makecode.microbit.org. And today we're going to do a new microbit program. We are going to pretend that you are an astronaut and you are up in space, and the only way you can communicate with Earth is through Morse code. Now this probably is not true, but we are using our skills with the microbit and we are combining it with our space unit. So let's go to makecode.microbit.org. You're going to scroll down, and this time we're going to do a tutorial. So we're going to go to this one that says Morse Chat. We'll click on that, and then we will start the tutorial. So we are going to send code using Morse code and 2 microbits. So let's click OK. And let's get rid of the on start and let's get rid of the forever. And our tutorial says go to the input and drag out on logo pressed. On our microbit, this gold logo is the logo we are talking about. Then we're going to go to the radio category. And we're going to get out radio send number, and we're going to press it into on logo pressed. I'm going to hit next. Then we're going to go back to the input and we're going to grab on logo pressed, but this time we're going to change this to a long press. So there's different categories that you can use here, but we're going to do on the long pressed. Let's hit next. Now we're going to go back to radio and we're going to grab radio send number, and we are going to set this to 1. Hit next. I'm going to set this code aside over here because we're going to work with a longer code now. So it says from the radio find the on radio received. So I'm going to click on radio and I'm going to get out on radio received. And then we're going to do a logic problem. So from logic, I'm going to grab if true, then else. And I'm going to put that on radio received. And then I'm going to go back to logic and I'm going to grab this one. 0 is equal to 0 and press it in where the true was. So I'm replacing the true with 0 equals 0. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to drag this receive number and I'm going to drag it out and I'm going to place it where the 0 is on the left hand side. And if you look at your little light bulb, it will tell you what this should look like. I'm going to click next. I'm going to go to the basic category and I'm going to get an LED and I'm going to put it underneath the else. And Morse code is a series of dots and dashes, so I'm going to make a dash down here. I can check with this, and I see that I've done it. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to go to the music, and I'm going to get play tone middle C for 1 beat, and I'm going to place it underneath the show LEDs. So this is what it should look like. So my code does match. I'm going to hit next. On the top part, we wanted to display a dot because again Morse code is a series of dots and dashes. So I'm going to get another LED and I'm going to place a dot in it. I'm going to check my light bulb over here for a hint and I see that I've done it correctly. I'm going to hit next. Then I'm going to go back to the music category and I'm going to grab a play tone middle C and I'm going to place it underneath the dot. The difference is it's going to play for a quarter beat. Oops, and as you can see, I actually put this in the wrong category. So let me tear this apart here, put it back. It should go underneath the if. Okay, so I have it correct now. And I'm going to hit next. And then finally, from the basic, we're going to go to clear screen and we're going to put it at the end of this entire code. So you're putting it underneath the if else. Another way to say it is we're putting it underneath this green block here. So let's check our code. And yes, it goes underneath the whole green if else statement. I'm going to hit next. All right, so we're going to test it out. So I'm going to press the gold logo. As we can see, another microbit appears. I pressed it once and the other microbit received a dot. I'm going to try a long press now. Hold it down for about 3 seconds. And you can see that it had a dash and it played the beat for a longer length of time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this microbit tutorial and have fun creating.